Hello, parents. This is Chris Allen, and I'm your son or daughter's math teacher, and I wanted to give you an update for the week of February 15th. I am making this video from home, so if my background looks a little bit different, I'm in my spare room here. This week in geometry, we are looking at proportions in triangles. This is section 7.5. So here we have a triangle, and we have a segment here that is parallel to one side. Well, it turns out that it will divide these two sides proportionally. So if a student was asked to determine the value of x, they would just set up the proportion 12 is to x plus 1 is 9 is to x. They would cross multiply and solve, and they would find that x is equal to 3. In Calc AB, we are looking at more integration. In fact, we're finishing up our chapter 4 on integration. And so here we have the integral of t over the square root of 1 minus t to the fourth dt. Students need to recognize that this is going to be an arc sine integral. We will let u equal t squared. Therefore, du would be equal to 2t dt. And we need to accommodate for that 2, so we put the 1/2 in front of the integrand, or the integral, and we'll get a final answer here of 1/2 arc sine t squared plus c. In Calc BC, we are looking at Taylor polynomials. So here we have a transcendental function f of x equals e to the 4x. And what we can do is we can actually convert this transcendental function into a polynomial, a Taylor polynomial. In this case it's going to be a Maclaurin polynomial because we're going to leave it centered at 0. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use the function and the derivatives of the function and calculate those at 0. And we're doing the fourth derivative because we're going to find the fourth Maclaurin polynomial for this, degree 4 polynomial. And so now we can just substitute f of 0 plus f prime of 0 times x plus f double prime of 0 over 2 factorial x squared, etc., all the way up to the degree 4 term. And then after we do those substitutions, we will see that the degree 4 polynomial to approximate this transcendental curve is 1 plus 4x plus 8x squared, etc. Okay, kind of important stuff here, so I'm glad you've stayed on this long. I will be absent Thursday, February 18th and February 19th. Assuming that we're going to be in school those days, although we've been out Tuesday for the snow and cold, and today obviously students aren't in, but I'm not in school either today. So I do have a sub there. The sub is already aware of what the lesson plans are and has seating charts and all that good stuff, but I wanted to make you aware that I will not be there. So this is particularly important if your son or daughter is a virtual student or trying to attend virtually. I'm not going to be on a Google Meet to meet them. Please note that everything is on Canvas. I post all of my materials on Canvas, so that's again that resource for your son or daughter. Third note, we have tests next week in all 3 classes. Geometry has a test, Calc AB has a test, Calc BC has a test. So all that's in Canvas, so your son or daughter should be aware of that. Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you for your support. Have a good day.